Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to do my makeup for Riamu from the Idol Master. It has been so long since I've cosplayed any idols. I've already taped my cheeks and now I am applying my foundation. Next I put concealer on all the areas that require extra coverage. And then I'm taking a lipstick to match my lips later, and I'm using it as a blush. I apply a bit at first, blend it out, then I decide that it wasn't bright enough and I go all out on the other cheek and nose and regret. Definitely don't put too much on, it's way easier to add than blend it out. And now that I look like a Coca-Cola Santa Claus, I try to fix it by adding more concealer and telling myself that once I do my eye makeup, it won't look as bright. I think it looks decent now, so I set everything in place using a loose powder and a beauty blender, and then I remove excess with a brush. I take a pink eyeshadow and fill in my eyebrows with it. I think they look too dark, so I take this light pink lipstick, put it on a spoolie brush and brush it into my brows. Since it's a matte lipstick, it will also set them in place just like the gel would do. Next, I take this light pink eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid as a base color. Then I take a brighter pink and work it into my crease and a bit under my eye, and I blend it out into the blush. Then I take an even brighter pink and add it on the outer corner and under my eye. Then I blend it out with the lighter pink color I used before. Then I take this rose gold shimmer and put it all over my eyelid with a finger. And I think it's not sparkly enough, so I take pressed glitter and add it on top. Next, I take this Taupe blush I used for contouring and draw a bag under my eye. And then I take a pinkish highlighter and put it under my eye. Next, I do my eyeliner. And while I'm doing it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button because it would help me a lot. I finish off with eyeliner by drawing a big bottom lash just like Riamu has. Then I take this white concealer and I'm going to mix it with blue eyeshadow to get a pastel blue liner. And I am adding it on top of the liner. I just thought this makeup was way too pink and it would be nice to add a touch of blue just like in her hair. I curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. Next I contour my nose. And then I highlight my nose and chin. And as I told myself earlier, the blush is not so bright now, so I take a pink shadow I used before and add even more color. Then I take a white concealer again and draw a gleam on my nose. I kinda enjoy using this concealer as a white liner. It's so pigmented and stays on very well and glides on very easily. And then I draw sparkles on my cheeks. I suck at drawing them if you can't tell, but I do my best. I add some circles here and there, and then I also add some dots using a dotting pen. I take off the excess concealer that might smudge by tapping Beauty Blender into it, and then I add glitter on top. Then I take the same lipstick I used on my eyebrows and put it all over my lips. In all honesty, this color is awful, but it works well for gradients. I blend it out and add the lipstick I used for blush earlier on the center of my lips, and I blend it out. Then I take the biggest eyelashes I have and put them on. I cut off the end of the eyelash because it was too big for my eye, and I'm actually going to use what I cut off. I cut it a little bit smaller and put it as this big bottom eyelash. My eyes didn't feel their best the day I filmed it, so I pop in the lenses once I have my full cosplay on, and we're done.